If y'all thought I was gonna let my girl Miss KJ, Miss Kylie Jenner, come out with another fragrance and we weren't gonna talk about it, you're crazy. I absolutely, well, I can't say I love the whole Cosmic line, but I am a fan of the original. It was a masterpiece. As you can see, this is like probably one of the only bottles that I've finished in such a long time because I have so many to choose from, but this last year was a staple. Now I do have a separate review on this. I have a review of Cosmic 2.0. Wasn't personally my favorite, and I really don't even remember how it smells. I just know I don't like it. I gave it away. But if you want to check that out, I do have a video. Today, we are talking about Cosmic Intense. I don't know what to think about it. I don't know what to expect. I was very excited about Cosmic 2.0. It sounded like it was going to be something good, and I absolutely hated it. It was disgusting in my opinion. But this, you guys, we have Star Jasmine, Blood Orange, Golden Amber Accord, Benzoin, Vanilla, Musk. Oh my God. Hopefully this should be a good one and think we're in for a treat. Now the original Cosmic, like I said, was my absolute favorite out of them all. To me, it is just that is like a sweet, sexy, seductive floral. And that, if you smelled that, that is what I call a sexy perfume. Like that is a sexy, seductive fragrance right there. And obviously I don't think this is gonna smell exactly like that, seeing as it's a intense version, but hopefully it is not. Oh, this is a cute red. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Oh, but hopefully it's just not like, I don't know, like number two. I'm really in. Ooh, even the little top is a metallic, a little chrome. That's so cute. Okay, all right, let's shut up and try it. Okay, please, I don't want to breathe in yet. I don't want to breathe in. Oh, 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 hold on, wait. Why do I feel like I just need to spray it on the other wrist for a second. Hold on, wait. Wait, that's almost really pretty. that am We gotta let this dry for a second, but so far, so good. She's good. Oh, baby, she's good. Okay, so look, hold on, wait, wait. The original Cosmic, wait, is this, so this is like, okay, so Cosmic Intense, like, I guess this is like the intense version of Cosmic. This is not like a different one, like Cosmic 2.0 was like a completely different fragrance. Like, it almost does smell like a deeper, more depth version of Cosmic. Like this is light, it's sexy, it's sunshine, it's just so beautiful. This is deeper, it's a deep sexy, it's a date night perfume. Like this is the nighttime version of Cosmic. Oh my God, it is so good. Now, the notes again, Star Jasmine. There's somewhat of a floral note, just like there is with Cosmic, but it doesn't smell like gardens or grandma's. If you're like me, I absolutely hate those, so you're good. Then we have Blood Orange. Maybe a little bit of like a citrusiness to it, like a darkened fruit is kind of what I get. And then Golden Amber and Benzoin. Yeah, there's a warmth to it. Like I said, like this is the night version of Cosmic. Like there's like a deep darkness to it, but not like spicy or cologne. It's still like a sexy perfume. Oh, baby, oh, it's so good. Vanilla and musk accord were the last two. Vanilla, it's like, it's not gonna be your vanilla extract or like your Madagascar vanilla or like what you're thinking in vanilla, but it's like a version of it, I would say, and it's a little bit musky too. Everything that's on here, pretty much you can smell. I don't know what the hell benzoin is. We've talked about it before. I just still don't know what it is, so I don't know if we smell that or not, but everything else, I mean, this is a 10 out of 10. Now, as far as longevity and projection goes, obviously I can't base exactly this version's longevity, but if we're gonna talk about, you know, if they're basically the same, right? So Cosmic's longevity on me personally, almost all day. Yeah, you get a good 6 to 12 hours, not 6, but like a good almost 12 hours or so, if not a little bit more, especially when you spray it on your clothes and it starts to seep in. I don't know, this, again, the intense version, there is a bigger projection bubble. I feel like there's a bigger scent bubble. I smell it a little bit more than I do when I spray the original Cosmic, though Cosmic is a nice, decent, strong fragrance. It's not gonna choke you up. It's not gonna smell up, you know, blocks away, but she's there. You'll definitely smell her when somebody walks by for sure. This though, oh my God, I don't know. I'm falling in love with it. Both of these, day and night. As always, let me know if you guys have tried this or if you're going to try this, but I think if you like the original Cosmic, you will definitely love this one. As always, I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next video. Love you. Bye.